हेलो एन्ड नमस्ते एभ्रिवान वेलकम टु लर्निङ इङ्ग्लिस आजको यो भिडियोमा हामीले सिक्नेछौँ सेन्टेन्सहरू तपाईँ अङ्ग्रेजी बोल्ने प्र्याक्टिस गर्न चाहनुहुन्छ भने फर्स्टमा तपाईँले बोल्नको लागि सेन्टेन्स जान्नु पर्यो होइन र तपाईँले यदि ग्रामरको रुल कन्ट पार्नु भएको छ तपाईँलाई सबै आउँछ तर बोल्दाखेरि तपाईँ अड्किनुहुन्छ सेन्टेन्स तपाईँले राम्रोसँग बोल्न सक्नुहुन्न भने त्यसको लागि तपाईँले फर्स्टमा के गर्नु पर्यो त सेन्टेन्सलाई प्र्याक्टिस गर्नु पर्यो जुन तपाईँ हरेक दिन आफ्नो डेली लाइफमा बोल्ने गर्नुहुन्छ र स्टार्ट गर्न थाल्नु पर्यो कि बोल्नको लागि सो आजको भिडियोमा हामीले 200 प्लस यस्ता सेन्टेन्सहरूलाई प्र्याक्टिस गर्नेछौँ जुन तपाईँले अङ्ग्रेजी घरमै बसेर प्र्याक्टिस गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ बोल्ने प्र्याक्टिस स्पोकन इङ्ग्लिसको लागि चाहिँ ओके सो भिडियोलाई इनसम्म नै हेर्नुहोला मन पर्यो राम्रो लाग्यो लाइक गर्नुहोला सेयर गर्नुहोला सुरु गरौँ लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड आऊ जाऊ लेट्स गो तपाईँले कसैलाई भन्नु पर्यो आऊ जाऊ न त भन्नु पर्यो लेट्स गो छिट्टै आऊ कम क्विकली छिट्टै जाऊ गो क्विकली छिटो गर बी क्विक अथवा डु क्विकली र तपाईँले मसँगै सुनेर र बोलेर पनि प्र्याक्टिस गर्नु पर्यो मात्र हेरेर भएन सुनेर पनि भएन तपाईँले आफ्नो लागि होइन आफूले प्र्याक्टिस गर्नको लागि तपाईँले पनि बोल्नु पर्यो ओके सो नेपाली तपाईँले बोल्नु परेन अङ्ग्रेजी सेन्टेन्सलाई तपाईँले बोलेर नै प्र्याक्टिस गर्नु पर्यो ओके समय आएको छ इट्स टाइम आशीर्वाद दिनुहोस् गिभ ब्लेसिङ्स के कुरा हो वाट्स रङ के भयो what happened बाचा गर promise me बुद्धि देखाऊ show wisdom छिटो हिँड walk fast आजको बारेमा about today तिमी जस्तै like you ऊ जस्तै like him अथवा उनी जस्तै बोल्नु पर्यो like her सम्झनाहरू ताजा गर refresh memories धैर्य राख have patience हार्दिक शुभकामना best wishes अहिलेसम्म until now अथवा till now आजसम्म until today अहिलेसम्म छैन not yet मलाई मद्दत गर help me यहाँ आऊ come here त्यहाँ जाऊ go there यहाँ रहनुहोस् stay here अब यहाँ now here बन्द गर stop it टाढा रहनुहोस् stay away उसँग वा उसको साथमा with him उसलाई समात catch him तिम्रो नजिक near you ढिला भइरहेको छ getting late मलाई माफ गर forgive me मलाई माफ गर होला तपाईले excuse me पनि भन्न सक्नुहुन्छ त्यहाँ के छ what's there यो सत्य हो it's true सही कुरा हो that's right फर्केर आऊ come back जानकारी देऊ give information यति धेरै so many खाना खाऊ eat food, eat food. केही खाओ, eat something, eat something. पानी पियो, drink water, drink water. न जाओ, don't go, don't go. सावधान, be careful, be careful. राम्रो छ, is good, is good. धेरै राम्रो छ, is great, is great. यो त खुसी हो, is happiness, is happiness. खुसी रहनुहोस्, stay happy, stay happy. आउनुहोस् सुरु गरौँ, let's get started. मलाई हेर, look at me, look at me. यसलाई हेर त, look at this, look at this. काम समाप्त गर, finish the task, finish the task. त्यो मेरो हो, that is mine, that is mine. म सँगै आउनेछु, I'll come along, I'll come along. कस्तो हुनुहुन्छ, how are you, how are you. यसलाई छिटै गर, do it quickly, do it quickly. सपनाहरू साकार हुन्छन्, dreams come true, dreams come true. तिमी सही छौ, you are right, you are right. पक्का आउनु, come for sure, come for sure. कहाँ जाने हो, where to go, where to go. थोरै पर्ख, wait a little, wait a little. मलाई जान देऊ, let me go, let me go. कृपया ध्यान दिनुहोस्, please pay attention, please pay attention. त्यहाँ कसले ढकढकाइरहेको छ, who is knocking there, who is knocking there. कोही ढोकामा छ, someone is at the door, someone is at the door. कोही भित्र आइरहेको छ, someone is coming inside, someone is coming inside. कसैले तिमीलाई बोलाइरहेको छ, someone is calling you, someone is calling you. कोही बाहिर पर्खिरहेको छ, someone is waiting outside, someone is waiting outside. गएर बाहिर हेर, go and see outside, go and see outside. गएर ढोका खोल, go and open the door, go and open the door. गएर एकचोटि जाँच गर, go and check once, go and check once. गएर उसलाई सोध, go and ask him, go and ask him. गएर पानी ल्याऊ, go and bring water, go and bring water. अब सबै कुरा भन, tell me everything now, tell me everything now. मलाई सत्य कुरा भन, tell me the truth, tell me the truth. मलाई कृपया मलाई स्पष्टसँग भन, tell me clearly please, tell me clearly please. पछि भन है, tell me later, okay, tell me later, okay. केही पनि नलुकाऊ, don't hide anything, don't hide anything. म यो गर्छु, I'll do it, I'll do it. म यो सम्हाल्नेछु, I will handle this, I will handle this. म यो जाँच गर्नेछु, I will check it, I will check it. म उसलाई फोन गर्नेछु, I will call him, I will call him. म फर्केर आउँछु, I will be back, I will be back. तिमी के गर्दैछौ, what are you doing, what are you doing. यहाँ के भयो, what happened here, what happened here. यो के कुरा हो, what is this thing, what is this thing. के चाहियो, what do you want, what do you want. हामी के गरौँ, what should we do, what should we do. तिमीलाई यो कसले भन्यो, who told you this, who told you this. आज यहाँ को आयो, who came here today, who came here today. अहिले कसले फोन गर्दैछ, who is calling now, who is calling now. किन ढिलो, why are you late, Why are you late? तिमी किन चिन्तित छौ? Why are you worried? Why are you worried? त्यो साँच्चै राम्रो लाग्यो. That sounds really good. That sounds really good. त्यो ठिक लागेन. That doesn't sound right. That doesn't sound right. अहिले बुझियो. That makes sense now. त्यो न्यायोचित होइन. That's not fair. त्यो त धेरै भयो. That's too much. That's too much. अब ढिलो हुँदैछ. It's getting late now. It's getting late now. यहाँ धेरै हल्ला छ. It's too noisy here. It's too noisy here. आज धेरै गर्मी छ. It's very hot today. It's very hot today. बाहिर सुरक्षित छैन. It's not safe outside. It's not safe outside. ठिक छ, चिन्ता नगर. It's okay, don't worry. It's okay, don't worry. एकछिन यहाँ आऊ. Come here for a moment. Come here for a moment. कृपया यहाँ चुपचाप बस. Sit here quietly please. Sit here quietly please. मेरो कुरा ध्यान दिएर सुन. Listen to me carefully. Listen to me carefully. कृपया यो हेर. Look at this please. Look at this please. यहाँ ध्यान दिनुहोस्. Pay attention here. Pay attention here. हल्ला नगर. Don't make noise. Don't make noise. त्यो नछो. Don't touch that. Don't touch that. धेरै चिन्ता नगर. Don't worry too much. Don't worry too much. ठुलो स्वरमा नबोल. Don't talk loudly. Don't talk loudly. अहिले बाहिर नजाऊ. Don't go outside now. Don't go outside now. खाना अब तयार छ. Food is ready now. Food is ready now. चिया चिसिँदैछ. Tea is getting cold. Tea is getting cold. बेलुकी खाना ढिलो हुनेछ. Dinner will be late. Dinner will be late. बत्ती अझै बलिरहेको छ. Light is still on. Light is still on. पंखा धेरै छिटो छ. Fan is too fast. Fan is too fast. कृपया झ्याल बन्द गर. Close the window please. Close the window please. अहिले झ्याल खोल. Open the window now. Open the window now. बत्ती निभाऊ. Turn off the light. Turn off the light. पंखा खोल. Turn on the fan. Turn on the fan. यसलाई बन्द गर. Switch it off. Switch it off. पहिले म जाँच गर्छु. Let me check first. Let me check first. मलाई एक पटक सोच्न देऊ. Let me think once. Let me think once. मलाई सम्हाल्न देऊ. Let me handle it. Let me handle it. अहिलेको लागि यति. That's all for now. हामी पछि कुरा गर्नेछौँ. We'll talk later. We'll talk later. अहिले सबै ठिक छ. Everything is fine now. Everything is fine now. ख्याल राख है. Take care, okay? पछि भेटौँला. See you later. मलाई भनेकोमा धन्यवाद. Thanks for telling me. Thanks for telling me. कुनै समस्या छैन. No problem at all. No problem at all. चाबी कहाँ छ? Where is the key? Where is the key? कहाँ राख्यौ? Where did you put? Where did you put? यहाँ ल्याऊ. Bring it here. Bring it here. त्यही राख. Keep it there. Keep it there. फिर्ता देऊ. Give it back. Give it back. ध्यान दिएर गर. Do it carefully. Do it carefully. छिटो सिद्ध्याऊ. Finish it quickly. Finish it quickly. आजबाट सुरु गर. Start from today. Start from today. हरेक दिन अभ्यास गर. Practice every day. Practice every day. चरणबद्ध सिक. Learn step by step. अब समय भयो. It's time now. It's time now. समय सकियो. Time is over. Time is over. लगभग सकियो. Almost done now. Almost done now. जान तयार? Ready to go. Ready to go. जान ठिक? Good to go. आज राति यहीँ बस. Stay here tonight. Stay here tonight. आज चाँडै सुत. Sleep early today. Sleep early today. चाँडै उठ. Wake up early. Wake up early. यो नबिर्स. Don't forget this. Don't forget this. यो कुरा राम्ररी सम्झ. Remember this well. Remember this well. यही पर्ख. Just wait here. Just wait here. कृपया पर्ख. Hold on please. Hold on please. मलाई एकछिन समय देऊ. Give me a moment. Give me a moment. आरामले लिनुहोस्. Take it easy. अब शान्त हुनुहोस्. Calm down now. Calm down now. अहिले आवश्यक छैन. No need now. No need now. सायद पछि. Maybe later then. Maybe later then. अहिले राम्रो छ. राम्रो देखिन्छ. Look good now. Looks good now. मलाई ठिक लाग्छ. Sounds fine to me. त्यो तपाईको रोजाइ हो. That's your choice. That's your choice. तिमी कहाँ छौ? Where are you? Where are you? को हो त्यो? Who is that? Who is that? ऊ आउँदैछ. He is coming. He is coming. के उनी यहाँ छिन्? Is he here? Is she here? थोरै मद्दत गर. Help a little. Help a little. हामी तिमीलाई बुझ्छौँ. We understand you. We understand you. कृपया मलाई छोड. Please leave me. Please leave me. तिमी कहाँ थियौ? Where were you? Where were you? हामीसँग आऊ. Come with us. Come with us. हामीसँग समय छ. We have time. We have time. यो राम्रो महसुस भइरहेको छ. This feels good. This feels good. ऊ राम्रो देखिरहेको छ. He looks good. कृपया बिस्तारै बोल्नुहोस्. Please speak slowly. Please speak slowly. तिमी सन्चै छौ? Are you fine? Are you fine? त्यहाँ को छ? Who is there? Who is there? तिमी खुसी छौ? Are you happy? Are you happy? हामी त्यहाँ थियौ. We were there. We were there. हामी त्यहाँ बस्छौँ. We live there. We live there. हाम्रो यहाँ at our place. कति पैसा? How much money? How much money? मलाई नराम्रो लाग्छ. I feel bad. I feel bad. मसँग छैन. I don't have. I don't have. केही हुने छैन. Nothing will happen. Nothing will happen. केही गडबड छ. Something is wrong. Something is wrong. केही गडबड भयो. Something went wrong. Something went wrong. केही नगर. Don't do anything. Don't do anything. सधैँ खुसी रहनु. Always be happy. Always be happy. मसँग कुरा गर. Talk to me. Talk to me. यसमा केही छैन. There is nothing to eat. There is nothing to eat. आफ्नो उमेरको हिसाबले व्यवहार गर. Act your age. Act your age. मलाई त्यस्तो लाग्दैन. I don't think so. I don't think so. त्यो रोचक छ. That's interesting. That's interesting. मलाई कुनै जानकारी छैन. I have no idea. I have no idea. यो मेरो गल्ती हो. It's my fault. It's my fault. राम्रो काम गरिरहनु. Keep up the good work. Keep up the good work. म आभारी छु. I am thankful. I am thankful. That's all. Thank you so much for watching. तपाईलाई भिडियो मन पर्यो, राम्रो लाग्यो भने चाहिँ लाइक गर्नुहोला, शेयर गर्नुहोला र सब्स्क्राइब पनि गर्न नबिर्सनुहोला. है त.